So just to be clear, this is like the third or fourth time I'm trying to fix this edge. I guess third. I mean, it's a lot better than it was, but okay, so I think we have a couple options. One is this drip edge right here coming down the side was underneath the flashing that went this way. So possibly it wicked over, got on the drip edge, came down, and then went in right there because that's where my silicone stops right there. So what I'm going to do is go underneath the flashing with one piece, as high as I can go, which I know I can go higher because I had it up higher. Silicone right here. Possibly put another piece right here. Well, I will have one going over here, so I guess that's going to be covered. Maybe I'll go get the saw, because how the drip edge is made, it's like a T here. Maybe I could saw up in that a little bit underneath. I don't want to go too far because then it's going to open this up. But we're going to silicone this anyways, again. The other option is possibly it's running in here, hitting this. And instead of going this way, it directs it to go down in and makes its way over to this corner. There is indication that water's been underneath there because it's dark underneath there. So that tells me that was white when this was covered, so water is getting underneath there, which is no surprise. The problem is how far is it getting underneath. So I might run some silicone kind of like this, angled like this, so angled like this to try to protect this area to get water coming out this way instead of going in deeper. So as of right now, those are my best two solutions that I can think of. Water's tricky. All it takes is basically a pinhole almost. Maybe a little bigger than a pinhole, but not much, and it can get through. Okay, let's do what we think will work and seal it up, and then we're gonna watch. We're gonna have rain later today and tomorrow, so it's not gonna take long to find out if this worked or not. Okay, let's do it.